Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to download and install QGIS software. So let's see how to download it. Open your favorite browser. So I open Chrome browser, type in search box QGIS download, then enter. Here you can see official website download.qgis.org. Click on download QGIS. As you can see here, QGIS is available on Windows, macOS, Linux and Android. Next, scroll down. Here you can see the download option, QGIS 3.60 version. If you want to download a previous version of QGIS, so click on all release button. Here you can see previous release of QGIS are still available here. Click on here button. Here you can see you can download their QGIS version as you want, 1.5 to 3. 3.22. 3.22 is the latest version of QGIS. So I want 3.60 version. Click on installation download. Select your operating system. I have 64-bit. Click on QGIS standalone installer version 3.16. Okay, our downloading has been started. It's around 391 MB file. Once download get finished, click on show it folder. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file. Our setup is loading. Click on next button. Accept the license agreement. Then next. No need to change here. Click on install. Our setup will be ready within 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see here, we have successfully installed QGIS software. Click on finish. Shortcut folder is also created on desktop. Double click on this. Here you can see QGIS desktop 3.16.14. Double click on it and your software will start soon. Click on let's get started. This is a QGIS 3.16 Hanover version. If you want to download QGIS latest version 3.22, go to same way. So our software has been started. Click on new project and you can start your work here. Thank you.